So you want to make some nice quick welds in Blender, and you don't want to shell out a bunch of money for a specific brush or plugin. I got you. This is one way of doing it. For this example, I've created two boxes, I've merged them into one mesh, and I've added a remesh modifier. Decrease the voxel size so that the blend between the two boxes isn't so relaxed, and now apply the modifier. Add a multi-resolution modifier to the object, go into sculpt mode, hit subdivide a few times so we have enough geo to sculpt with, and now let's change up the brush settings. I use a basic draw brush with a strength of 1. Next, go into the brush tab at the top and increase the hardness to around 0.8 and the auto smooth to about 0.9. Next, you'll need to add a custom texture. I suggest to start off with just a basic circle like this. In the stroke settings, reduce the spacing to 1% and then finally change the fall off to smooth. Next, start building up those welds, and that's it. Easy welds, no fuss and no money, totally free.